watch out. We got some bad roaches here.
Hey, you're on our turf, man. And man, I'll cut you up so bad. You're gonna wish I don't cut you up so bad.
Those are bad roaches. I blame the smoke.
Cats don't care about it.
Fine. Go ahead and tell you how it ends. Dr. Bill says, and how is that working out for you? Look at that and crying.
Welcome back to Venom's the Chamber!
You're killing me, Smalls!
How's everybody doing tonight?
Yes, for certain. There is no stopping them. The end will soon be here. And I, for one, welcome all you insect overlords. I'd like to remind them that as a trusted TV personality, you can be helpful in rounding up others to toil in their underground sugar caves.
Cats don't care about it.
You're killing me, Smalls!
It's dead, alright? Can I go now?
I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.